how to download Git. So it's very easy. It is basically a free and open source distributed version control system. Okay. It is basically designed to handle small and large projects, which you can create quickly and handle it efficiently. So let's see how we can install it. Go to the browser. Here in Typegate, press Enter. On pressing Enter, the official website is visible, git-scm.com. Click on it. After clicking, you can see the latest version is visible, and it is written Download for Windows. Click on it. After clicking Now, some versions are visible for you. Here is the standalone installer, 32-bit, and for 64-bit Windows, I'll click 64-bit Windows. Okay. Because my system is 64-bit, if you also want to check, go to Start, type About. Click on Open under About your PC. Now herein, you can see 64-bit operating system. So from here, you can check. Now I'll click on 64-bit for Windows setup. It will download its 2047 MB. Let's wait for a few seconds. So guys, we have successfully downloaded the X file. Double-click on it to install. Minimize this. Now it has setup started. Click on Next. It will get installed on the program files. If you want to change the station, click on Browse, but I'll keep the same. It will only take 264 megabytes. Click on Next. Keep the default. Click on Next. Start menu folder. Keep it the name Next. Choose the default editor. You can select from here, but I'll keep the default and click on 62. Adjusting the name, it will be Master, which is fine for default. The Next. This also you can keep as Next, it is written recommended. The Next, use under OpenSSH. SSH is Secure Shell, or you can say Secure Socket Shell. Click on Next, click on Next again. Check out Windows 12, commit unique style. Keep the same. Click on Next. Use the default terminal, which is fine. Click on Next. Keep the default again and click on Next page. Next. How you can use the door and install Get On. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.